So this is lesson 7.5, lesson 7. This goes along with the lesson back in time. So we're talking about position, rate, and time. So let's look at the first questions. It says decide whether each expression is a negative, a positive, or zero. So remember, when we are multiplying and dividing with integers, we know a negative times a negative is a positive. We know a positive times a positive is a positive. So same signs are positive, different signs are negative. So the first one, 2 times positive 2 times 3 is a positive times a positive, so your answer is going to be positive. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6, so it's negative. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive, and negative times a positive would be, negative times a negative would be positive 2, but positive times 2 times negative 3 would be negative. Determine the value of each expression. 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. Negative 5 times 3, negative 15. Negative 5 times negative 3 is positive 15. And 5 times negative 3/10 would be positive 1.5. Now the next one, a bug is crawling down a tree at a rate of negative 7 millimeters per second. So he's going down 7 millimeters each second. A bug passes a big branch, which we will call position 0. Which equation represents the bug's position 7 seconds after it 8 seconds after it passes the branch? So 7 millimeters, negative 7 millimeters times 8 seconds would give me negative 56. How about before it passes the branch? So negative 8 seconds ago, he was negative 7 millimeters away, would give me positive 56. Describe a situation that could be represented by the equation 7 times negative 8 equals negative 56. We could say the bug is crawling up 7 millimeters per second. Where was it 8 seconds ago? Now, the bug has friends on nearby trees. Write equations similar to problem 2 for each description. Assume the bug starts in the same position as the bug in problem 2. So, Buggo crawls 28 minutes at a rate of negative 2 centimeters per minute. So I would say he would go negative 2 times the 28 seconds equals negative 56. Now Buggy slides for negative 3.2 seconds, at negative 1.8 millimeters per second. Well, he's going down 8.1 for 3.2 seconds, which means he would go down about 25.92 millimeters. And now Bug'em is creeping for 3.5 seconds and finishes at negative 28.5. So something, however much he's going down, oh, it looks like he's going up. I don't know what he's going up maybe. We're at 3.5 and it equals, oh no, he's going down. Negative 3.5. Creeps. It's not very, you could creep up or down, I guess. And that would be my equation for that. So let's look at the next one. it says a tank of water breaks and begins draining at a constant rate. Complete the table. So in 0 minutes, the change in the water is 0 liters. And so the expression is 770, which must be the amount of water I have plus 0 times negative 14 gives me 770. So it looks like it is decreasing at 14 liters of water per minute. So this would be negative 28. And 14 times 5 would be negative 70. So we're all starting with 770. And then I'm going to multiply 2 times negative 14 and 5 times negative 14, which is going to leave me with, if I subtract 28, I would have 742. And then if I subtracted 70, I would have 700 liters of water in my tank. Is there a proportional relationship between the time and the amount of water left in the tank? The answer is no. Because we're not going to have a constant of proportionality. Also, it would need to begin at 0 liters. We're not going to pass through 0, 0 on this graph, which would make it not proportional. All right, any questions? We can go over it tomorrow. Just let me know. Thank you.